In this video, I will be showing you how to install Python for our upcoming course. So the version of Python we'll be using for our class is Python 3.7.6, and I recommend you to install this version as well so that our code can be compatible across all of us. So I have included the link in this email, and once you click on the link, you'll see this site, and you scroll down and you'll see a bunch of files, the downloads for Python, and click on the one that is suitable for your machine. So I'm using Windows, so I would click on the Windows executable installer, and once it finishes downloading, just click on it, and if you're using Windows, you'll see something like this, and by default it will save it to your user and then app data and local programs and Python. So you can just click on the install now at the very top. So once you click on it, you just wait for it to install, and once it finishes installing, you'll see the setup was successful screen, and you click close. And to verify that Python has been correctly installed, go to your search bar and search for Python, and you'll see something that says IDLE and Python 3.7. And if you click on that, you should see a window, and on the window it should say Python 3.7.6, and it should look something like this, and that means you have correctly installed Python and you're ready to go for the course.